Right, table shows part of the spreadsheet file. Okay, so I'm going to do questions A to E in this all together. Right, so now basically, again, it's not what it's asking, it's the way it's asking it. So they're generally straightforward questions, and I should imagine you can do these yourself. But just in case, you know, you are a little bit worried and you're overthinking this, obviously you're welcome to watch the video. Right, now don't look at this as any more than what it is. First of all, look at the spreadsheet. So the sweet shops. So you've got items here. You've got the cost of each item. Okay, so that's the item that the sweet shop is buying the sweets for. Then the selling price. So this is the selling price. So this is the price that the sweet shops are selling the items so they can make a profit. Then there's the amount they've sold. Okay, so give a cell reference containing a label. Now, a label is simply text. So you can give a cell reference, any cell reference in column A, any cell reference in row 2, and obviously A1. So if you was to give any of those cell references, you'll be correct. They're not looking for just one cell. Give the cell reference that contains 15 cents. Okay, so remember as well, cell references go along the corridor and down the stairs. So if they ask me for the cell reference containing the words, containing the label selling price, I would go along to C, down to 2, and obviously the answer is C2. Okay, so obviously for this one it's different, so don't write down C2, look for it yourself. Write down how many columns are in the spreadsheet. Now remember, columns begin with letters. This here is not a column. From A up to E is a column. You don't write down A to E, it says how many columns, count them, okay? Give the cell reference for the cell that should be formatted as currency. Now, this is the way they've worded this, okay? If you give any of these cell references, you're wrong. Okay, so if you give E4, E5, E6, E7, you're wrong because it said the amount sold. This isn't money. Okay, anything to do with cost, selling, profit, revenue is money. Okay, so it's the way they've worded these. So if you give the cell reference simply for any of these cells here, okay, you would get a mark. Now it says it should be formatted as currency. They are formatted as currency anyway. Now, state the formula that should be in cell D5. Okay, so if we look at D5 here, this is just, again, about looking. Just look, okay? So it says the Choco Bar has been bought for 95 cents. They sell it for 10 cents. Sorry, $1.10. So the profit is 15 cents because they have to pay the costs. So all they've done is simply subtracted 95 from 110 and what's left is their profit. Okay? Now remember, oh, it's already here. All formulas begin with equals. Now I hope that helps you.